Elimination method and substitution method. How are we going to use this to solve systems of equations in two variables? Find out in this video. So the first method that we're going to use is the substitution method. So sa substitution method, we're going to use one equation and substitute it to another equation to get the value of x and y. So how are we going to do it? Let's have an example. We have here two equations. So yung first equation natin, we have y is equal to 2x plus 4. Yung second equation naman natin, we have 3x minus y is equal to negative 2. So kung mapapansin natin, meron tayong value ni y. Yung value ng y natin is 2x plus 4. So pag ganito yung form niya, mas madali kung substitution method yung gagamitin natin. So the first step that we're going to do, although hindi siya generalized na steps, kasi depende siya sa given, but then again, pag may given tayo na same yung form na ganito, or nabigay agad yung value ng x, or nabigay agad yung value ng y, then it would be very convenient if we're going to use the substitution method. So we're going to substitute equation 1 to equation 2. Okay. So susulat muna natin si equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x minus y is equal to negative 2. Then isa-substitute natin si equation 1. So saan ba banda natin isa-substitute si equation 1? Of course, dito sa value ni y. Kasi nga, yung equation natin is y is equal to 2x plus 4. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung y is equal to 2x plus 4. So, pwede natin palitan si y by 2x plus 4. So, 3x minus, then, ilalagay natin yung value ng y. Make sure na nakalagay siya sa parentheses para hindi tayo mali, especially pag may mga signs. Then, is equal to negative 2. Simplify lang natin. So, we have 3x. Multiply natin lahat. Sa loob ng parentheses yung negative. So, we will have negative 2x and negative 4 is equal to negative 2. Then, simplify natin further. Combine similar terms. 3x minus 2x, that is positive x. Then, negative 2. Yung negative 4, ita-transpose natin sa kabilang side, so it will become positive 4. So we make sure na x lang yung matira sa left side ng equation. The rest will be transposed sa right side. So x is equal to negative 2 plus 4, that is positive 2. So ibig sabihin nito, the value of x is equal to positive 2. So since nakuha na natin yung value ng x, this time we're going to get the value of y. So, yung value ng x, we're going to substitute this one. So, depende na sa inyo. You can substitute it sa equation 1 or pwede nyo rin i-substitute sa equation number 2. So, for me, it would be convenient if isa-substitute ko siya sa equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to 2 into equation 1 or to equation 1. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 4. This is equation number 1. Sa original na given natin. Y is equal to 2 times x now becomes 2. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down natin yung positive 4. Finally, y is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, the solution is 2, 8. So 2, 8, this is an ordered pair. 2 is the x value and 8 is the y value. Okay, let's continue. So we have another example. Our first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 7. And the second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. So, unlike kanina sa example number 1, na-solve na agad yung form ng given natin ay nakalagay na y is equal to a particular term. Pero if we're going to observe yung dalawang given equation natin, kailangan pa natin isolve yung either x or y and use it to substitute to the other equation. So in this case, we're going to solve for y using equation number 1. Again, we're going to solve for y using equation 1. So yung equation 1 natin is 3x minus y is equal to 7. So bakit kailangan natin isolve yung value ng y? So kailangan natin siyang isolve para yung value ng y, yun yung gagamitin natin na value para ma-substitute dito sa y ng equation number 2. So we have negative y is equal to negative 3x plus 7. So we make sure na positive palagi yung numerical coefficient ni y. So we're going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So y becomes now positive and 3x or negative 3x becomes positive 3x. Positive 7 becomes negative 7. So meron na tayong equation number 3. Okay, itong equation number 3, we're going to use this one para ma-substitute sa value ng y sa equation number 2. So we have substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So in equation 2 natin, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Then, isa-substitute natin yung nakuha natin na value ng y. We have 3x minus 7. Then, simplify lang natin. So you have 2x plus 3 times 3x, that is 9x. Minus 3 times 3 times negative 7, that is negative 21, is equal to 1. Combine similar terms, 2x plus 9x, that is 11x. Transpose natin si negative 21 sa right side ng equation. Bring down 1, transpose natin ito, magiging positive 21. So we have 11x is equal to 22. Then divide both sides by 11. So the value of x is equal to 2. Then itong 2 gagamitin natin para i-substitute sa 1, 2, or 3. Nang sa ganun makuha natin ang value ng y. It will be better kung gagamitin natin yung equation number 3. So substitute lang natin si 2 into equation 3. So we have y is equal to 3 times 2 minus 7. Y is equal to 3 times 2, that is positive 6, then minus 7. Therefore, y is equal to negative 1. Right? So nakuha na natin yung value ng x at nakuha na rin natin yung value ng y. Follows that the solution or the solution set is 2, negative 1. And let's go now to the second method. We have the elimination method. So when we say elimination method, we're going to examine the two equations and try to eliminate one variable in order for us to solve the other variable. So how are we going to do it? Example number 1, we have x minus y is equal to negative 6. And the second equation is x plus y is equal to positive 8. So kung mapapansin natin, we can eliminate negative y and positive y. So pag sinabi natin eliminate, the other variable is positive, the other term is positive, the other term is negative. And if we're going to combine them, the answer will become 0. So pag eliminate natin yung isang variable, automatic isang variable na lang ang matitira. Then we can solve for that one. Then we can solve for the other variable. So in this case, uunahin natin, we're going to add or combine equation 1 and equation 2 to eliminate y. Then we're going to solve for x, or the value of x. So isusulat natin sila ulit. X minus y is equal to negative 6 Then we have x plus y is equal to positive 8. Okay? Simulan natin. So we can eliminate, we are going to add them. So x plus x, we have 2x. Again, we're going to add them. Negative y plus positive y, that is 0. So kaya eliminated na yung y variable natin. Next, we have negative 6 plus 8, that is positive 2. So after elimination, we are going to solve now for the remaining variable. So yung natira na variable is x na lang, or si x. So we're going to divide both sides now by 2. So the value of x is equal to 1. So after eliminating, gagamit pa rin tayo ng substitution na method. So itong x is equal to 1, ilalagay natin or isa-substitute natin sa either equation 1 or equation 2. So we can substitute x is equal to 1 into equation, let's have equation 2. So pwede nyo gamitin yung equation 1, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung equation number 2. Then you will still have the same answer. So sa equation 2 ako mag-substitute. So we have x now becomes 1 plus y is equal to 8. So to solve for y, transpose lang natin si 1 sa right side ng equation, kaya magiging 8 minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 7. So, the solution is 1, 7. We will now have our last example. So we have 5x plus 4y is equal to 1. And 3x minus 6y is equal to 2. So kung mapapansin natin, wala agad tayong ma-eliminate dito sa given na equations natin. So yung una natin gagawin is that we're going to multiply two numbers sa equation 1 at saka equation 2. Nang sa ganun, magkaroon tayo ng variable na pwede nating ma-eliminate. So how are we going to do that one? So we're going to multiply 3 to equation 1 and 2 to equation 2. Okay, so bakit 3 at saka 2 yung gusto kong i-multiply? 3 yung gusto kong i-multiply sa equation 1, nang sa ganun, yung 4y natin maging positive 12y. 2 naman yung gusto kong i-multiply sa second equation natin, nang sa ganun, yung negative 6y ay maging negative 12y. Since opposite na yung signs ng kanilang number, then I can eliminate the variable y. It will become 3 times 5x plus 4y is equal to 1 at 2 times 3x minus 6y is equal to 2. So we have two sets of equation. The first one is 3 times 5x, that is 15x, plus 12y is equal to 3. So, multiply lang natin si 3 sa lahat ng terms. Okay? Next, ito naman 2 times 3x, that is 6x. 2 times negative 6y, that is negative 12y. And 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So, we have now equation number 3 and equation number 4. So, mapapansin natin, pwede na natin eliminate si y. So, we're going to add equation 3 and 4 to eliminate. Eliminate y. Then, we're going to solve for x. So not all the time, si y lang yung pwede nating i-eliminate. Pwede rin nating i-eliminate si x. So depende na yun kung saan kayo mas komportable at saan yung mas convenient na way ng pag-solve ninyo. So we have 15x plus 12y is equal to 3 and 6x minus 12y is equal to positive 4. Add natin silang dalawa. So 15x plus 6x, that is 21x. This will be eliminated kasi magiging 0 na siya. Then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then, get the value of x. So, we are going to divide both sides by 21. So, cancel natin ito siya. We have x is equal to 7 over 21. And 7 over 21 can still be simplified. So, divide natin yung numerator at denominator ng 7. We will have 1 over 3. So, 1/3 yung value ng x natin. Then, finally, substitute natin yung x na 1/3 into, depende na sa atin kung ano yung equation na gagamitin natin. So, we can have equation number 2 into equation number 2 to solve for y. So, we have 3x minus 6y is equal to 2. 3 times 1/3 minus 6y is equal to 2. So, 3 times 1/3, we can cancel this one. 1 na lang yung natitira. Minus 6y is equal to 2. Then, negative 6y is equal to, ito transpose natin si positive 1 sa kabilang side. So, we have 2 minus 1. Then, negative 6y is equal to, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? Then, divide natin both sides since y lang yung gusto natin kunin. Divide both sides by negative 6. Cancel natin si negative 6. Y is equal now to negative 1 over 6. So, negative 1 over 6 kasi positive 1 divided by negative 6, that is equal to negative 1 over 6. So, it follows na yung solution natin is 1/3 and negative 1/6. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section. And we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution. At kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kaagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.